Hello. So for our second problem, we're going to be doing the aerialist on a high platform. So he's holding on to a 7.1 meter cord. Just before jumping off the platform, he makes a 43-degree angle. He jumps off, swings down, and back up, where he releases at 0.69 meters below his initial start. We're going to be calculating the angle that the cord makes with the vertical here. So we know that the cord is 71 meters long and we have an angle of 43 degrees. So we can take our cosine function, because we know that cosine theta is equal to adjacent over the hypotenuse. And we can manipulate this so that the adjacent equals the hypotenuse cosine theta. So we don't know the adjacent yet, but we do know the hypotenuse is 7.1 meters if we're looking at this triangle here. So we can plug in these values to say that the adjacent is equal to 7.1 meters cosine 43 degrees, which will give us that the adjacent is equal to around 5.19 meters. So that's going to be 5.19 meters here. And we know that he goes 0.69 meters farther. So we can take 5.19 meters, we can add 0.69 meters, and that's going to give us around 5.88 meters. Now we could take this value and consider a similar thing over here with this triangle. Now that we know that this is 5.88, we can take the cosine now that we know the chord is still 7.1 meters. So we could take the adjacent 5.88 meters over 7.1 meters. And we're going to get the cosine of theta is equal to 0.828 meters. Now from the last problem with the tangent, it's going to be similar. We know that if cosine theta equals something, arc cosine of something equals theta. So we have 0.828 meters, which is going to give us theta, and theta is going to equal 34.1 degrees. And that's going to be our answer for that angle there. Thank you.